Welcome to today's video. Here we are witnessing the incredible Hitachi Zaxis 670LC excavator in action, expertly operated by Anogiatis, loading Mercedes and MAN trucks. This is heavy machinery at its finest, combining power, precision, and engineering brilliance. The Hitachi Zaxis 670LC is a long-reach hydraulic excavator designed for large-scale earth-moving and mining operations. It weighs approximately 68 tons, making it a truly massive machine, yet it moves with astonishing precision. Powered by a 450 horsepower Isuzu engine, it delivers both high torque and efficiency, allowing operators to handle heavy loads with ease. One of the standout features of this excavator is its hydraulic system. Hitachi's advanced hydraulics provide responsive movements, whether digging deep into the earth, lifting massive rocks, or precisely loading trucks. The bucket capacity ranges up to 3.0 cubic meters, perfect for transporting large amounts of soil or material in each pass. Operator skill is key to maximizing this machine's potential. Watching Anogiatis at work, you can see the balance of speed and control. Every scoop, swing, and dump is carefully calculated. Professional operators like him understand the machine's weight distribution, arm reach, and hydraulic response, ensuring efficiency while maintaining safety. Fuel efficiency is another highlight. Despite its massive engine, the Zaxis 670LC is engineered for optimized fuel consumption, reducing operational costs while maintaining peak performance. This makes it an ideal choice for long shifts at construction sites, quarries, and mines. Another important aspect is the operator cabin. Ergonomically designed, it provides comfort and visibility, which reduces fatigue during long hours of operation. With intuitive controls, real-time monitoring, and climate control, operators can focus fully on precision and productivity. This machine is more than just a tool, it's an engineering marvel. From digging to loading, from moving earth to handling rocks, the Hitachi Zaxis 670LC demonstrates what modern construction and mining machinery can achieve. For enthusiasts, operators, and professionals, watching this machine in action offers valuable insights into efficiency, mechanics, and the skill required to operate such powerful equipment safely. In conclusion, the Hitachi Zaxis 670LC isn't just about raw power, it's about controlled strength, smart hydraulics, operator expertise and operational efficiency. Watching it load Mercedes and MAN trucks gives a real appreciation of heavy machinery at work. Whether you're learning about excavation, studying construction techniques, or simply fascinated by heavy equipment, this video provides a complete view from start to finish. Stay tuned for more high-quality heavy machinery action, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you want to see more incredible machines in operation.